Hi, this is ZTE Blade A72s and I'll show you how to turn on and turn off silent mode on this device. So open first the settings and then tap to the sound section. Here you'll see the silent section, just silent mode section. Just to activate it, you should switch ring to the silent mode. When the silent mode is activated, we could see that our ringtones and notifications, they will be muted. So just by mute ringtone volume, you could also by unmute ringtone volume, you could unmute the silent mode just to turn it off. So also we could just open the control panel and find here ring icon. Just click twice on this icon and now it switched to the silent one. So that means that the silent mode is activated. Just to turn it off, tap on the silent and it switched to the ring one. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.